there, it's Linda here. Thanks for joining me today as I play with these goodies for a fun and bright hello card. So I'm doing some watercolouring today with my distress ink. So today I'm using the range of watercolour paper, and as you can see, this D's Artsy Impressions Blossoms Sprays number 2 stamp. I'm just working out here where I'm going to position it on my card front, and I'm using the image that you get with the stamp just to work out where I'd like the flowers to sit. And my sentiment today comes from this beautiful Stampendous set. I'll be using the Hello sentiment, and the set is called Big Words, Thanks. So today I'm doing an Emboss Resist technique with my Versamark ink and white embossing powder. So just getting that all inked up and ready to go here, and then I'll use all those gorgeous distress ink colours you can see on the right there over the top of the white heat embossing, and of course that will resist all the colours. So I use my MISTI today so that I can stamp the image a couple of times just to make sure I get a nice clear impression before I add the white Wow embossing powder and set it with my heat tool. And as you can see, my heat embossing is all done, so now it's time for the watercolouring. So I've got a piece of white laminated cardstock here, and I use this as a colour palette. I just smush down my distress ink colours, then just adding clean clear water to the cardstock first before I'll then drop in my distress ink colours and get them moving all around that Ranger Distress watercolour card. So using the pinks and orange for the flowers, and then you'll see I've got the colours of the rainbow today that I'm working with, and it's just a matter of trying to stop certain colours from mixing together that will give you perhaps a not so pleasant colour. So I do try to be careful when I start to add in the greens and blues. Just be careful which colours I put them beside. Try and dry things off a little bit with my heat gun every now and then so that it's not too wet and the colours don't spread where I really don't want them to go. But at this stage I'm quite happy for these colours to mix and mingle as much as they'd like to. So as you can see, it's just a matter of adding the colours, continuing to build up the layers until you're happy with the intensity of the colour that you've achieved. And then it's just a matter of allowing the piece to dry, adding some coordinating sequins and die cutting the edge, and my card is finished.